Good morning, everybody, and happy Friday. If you're here with me in the Discord, YouTube, Kick, or X chat, go ahead and say what's up. Let's see who's with us. Good morning. We have Yaz, Amateur Genius, Bear Goes Long, Cyrus, Corano, Ember, National, Prime Cap, Hockey, Shane, Lingle Trading, Uncle Mark, Doc, Navy Guy, Miko, Matt, Jeff, Yaz, Joe B, Jay Prowse. Good morning to you. What is cracking? Rule 1 Investor, good morning. SW, good morning. What's going down? Illicit Garage, Richard Harris, Paul Yoon. Why is it like this? Why does it look like shit? What the fuck is this thing? It doesn't show me anybody's like usernames. It shows me their @ names now. It's fucking lame. What is that? Good morning to you, Steve Miller, AG. Yeah, this is weird on YouTube. What a shock. YouTube is just so trash, dude. I can't see like any of your YouTube names. I see like your weird @ names now. Anyway, what's up, everybody? Feds William, let's go. You like that, Stover? All right, at least Kick, we can still see people's names. Let's see here. Manny Fresh, Mass Rick, Silent NW, Madi, good morning. Evil Genius, Slayer, TDG, Musped, good morning to you. Boy, this is heavy electro. Good lord. Pocket Aces, you know what I'm gonna change it to? Let's try this. Let's go. There we go. Musped, Dan One Loves, Daniel, Big Guy, McCrushin, Marwin, Cicino, good morning. Parms, how are you? Umax, Noah, Cat Nads, Brian Johnson, Push with the Pull, L Rap, Making 7 Figures, Cheese Balls, NZT Trader, good morning, Doomslayer. Good morning to you, Evil Genius, Drag, July Peppers, Dusk, Stephen B, good morning. What's cracking, everybody? Yeah, I'm already exhausted. I am tired. Fed Williams ripped into some faces. Dude, I know. Mark's safe from that one. I was using the restroom when that happened. So, although, like, I don't know that I would have been short during that, but that would have been nasty. The tape was amazing this morning. It was. I saw you on X Fenster. The tape has been incredible for the past few days, to be honest. Might just have a Celsius. Do I have a Celsius? Why is there only... I'm gonna put some Celsius in the fridge. It's in cases right now. Hold on. All right. What's up, AP? Who said we're ready to go negative again? I missed that squawk. What's up, Stan? Zona Matt, good morning. You got Astro Vibe. I did, I put Galaxy Vibe and Playa Vibe in there. I haven't had either in a long time. But man, I am so tired today. Like extremely tired. I woke up at like midnight and then went back to bed and woke up at like 1 and just was like, I can't go back to bed. So I've been up for 4 hours already, you know? And it was worth it because the market was sick. I mean, you can see it on my screen. The market was dope. A lot of opportunity. Am I crazy for being convinced we're going well below 24,000 a day? I mean, we already have gone below it, so to go back below isn't that big of a deal. But we'll have to see where the flow goes. I'm probably done trading for the day if I'm being honest. I'm so exhausted. I want to go into the weekend chilling. And I'm up over 600K on the month. I think up over 300K on the week now. I'm not sure. So I think I've earned the day off if I don't want to trade any of it. I would have loved to hit that pump, but yeah, wasn't even at my desk. It is F1 weekend. We were going to go down to the strip today, but we're just going to go tomorrow. We have a couple things going on tomorrow. I don't know when the Ferrari party is, but that's on the docket. We have dinner at Carbone tomorrow. And then I think we have like some VIP box seats or something for F1, but I don't know if I'll be able to stay up for it unless I take a nap or something. Yeah, I'm excited, man. Super excited. I just need some sleep. I need some rest. My goal today is to do the stream. Then I don't know if I'm going to be able to work out today. I'm pretty tired, but then just crash out on the couch. That's my whole Wait, National, you didn't come this year? I thought you were already here. My bad. I thought you were already here. Hold on. Yeah, I thought you were already here. I thought you were planning on coming out this year. How many hours did I get last night? Because I did get some sleep. It just weird hours that I woke up. But I'm happy that I did. Oh, yeah. I got 5 hours of sleep last night. Not great. That's why I'm so tired. I usually try to get at least 6.5. 7 hours and 45 minutes is usually where I want to be. So, how's everybody doing? How are you guys enjoying this morning market? There's just so much volatility and so many points. Like this to there is 300 points. And this is like in Globex, dude. And that bounce, 250 points. This ripper, 300 points. Like, holy shit. There's so much. Hold on one second. Oh, yeah, so I'm just very tired. It's been a long week for me. A lot of mental capital spent this week, and I think the majority of it was spent on Wednesday. That's what really kicked off the burnout. I was kind of burned out going into Wednesday, to be honest. So, dude, I can't believe YouTube just continues to get worse and worse and worse. Like, I can't even see like who's commenting in. I can recognize some of your profile pictures, but it gives me like your YouTube name. It doesn't give me like your display name. So like Richard Harris is like Richard Harris 5200. Rips Mod is Mod WS1LVL. Like, so ridiculous. Kick is just so much better. Robert John says, "Oh, Rips, that growth I got off your market or off your giveaway." Sorry, got off your giveaway first payout on processing. Nice. Let's go. Nice work, man. Take a day off. I think I'm taking the whole week off next week. I don't think I'm going to stream it all next week. I'm still undecided. We'll see how I feel on Sunday, but the whole plan was to not stream on Thursday, obviously. Thursday and Friday. So I might take the whole week off next week. So we'll see. Williams is still talking, by the way. You know, I haven't even looked at the schedule today. I didn't write a memo this morning. I'm so like, I traded my dick off this morning too. So we get the October change in non-farm payrolls in 17 minutes. And then we get all the October jobs data. The S&P PMI at 9:45. University of Michigan at 10. It's a lot of shit today. We're gonna hear from Michael Barr at the bottom of the hour. Jefferson at 8:45. Collins at 9 o'clock. Logan at 9 o'clock. So it's a packed schedule. And it's MOPEX. Wow. What am I up? Couple bucks. Before the stream even started. Couple dollar bills. So, as bad as I want to continue to trade, I just don't feel like I should. I'm feeling pretty exhausted, so. What does that put me at? So, on the week, just to give some perspective. On the week. $305,000 on the week. And then on the month, $603,000 on the month. So feel like I've earned a week off from streaming. Yeah, we started the week with, or the month with under 1 million, I think. Right? We crossed 1 million the first week of November, I think. Market is here every day and there's always plays to make. Yeah, I kind of just want to... Maybe we just do like a really quick stream today where we do bookmap for the bottom of the hour. There's just so much data today. I don't know what to do. We'll see. See how it goes. I get any of that dump yesterday? Yeah, I made 85,000 yesterday, Yolanda. I could have made more, but you know, pacing myself. Oh yeah, gamble points. Let's go. Let's see. What are you trading at? Let's do one for 8:45. And you got 10 minutes to get this one in. Oh man, so tired. All right, 8:45 gambles are live. Go ahead. Yeah, winning that Champions Cup. Yeah, Team Rips took first. I busted out in 217th place. They top 200 carry on to the next part of the tournament. But again, I wasn't really, barely traded that account. So we'll watch bottom of the hour and then we'll figure it out from there, what we're gonna do. Do team members that didn't make the cut still get rewards? If so, what are they? Any idea? I know we get 25K worth of rewards, but I don't know what it is. And I don't know if it's now or if it's for the including the second stage of the tournament. I have no idea. I'll ask. I'll figure it out. Are you feeling perfectly locked in, or are these market conditions perfect for your... Yeah, both, dude. Both. There's a lot of movement. When there's a lot of movement, I can usually capture points. So, and I have good reads on the market right now, except for Wednesday. Wednesday, the opening was just threw me kind of in a tailspin simply because my contract quantity size was unexpectedly large. So that kind of threw me out of balance, but I recovered, luckily. I also think now, kind of reflecting back on it now that I'm out of that, I really think that even if I didn't make 420,000 on that follow-up trade, I probably would have taken a short whenever it peaked out and extended. I would have made more money. I don't know. Who knows? I don't know. All I know is what happened. Yeah, we get October data at 8:30. We should. Jobs data, 8:30. We very much should. Maybe I'm wrong. We'll see. I started trading with the market structure and order flow to time. My risk reward increased a lot. Nice. Think we bounce if we drop hard or drop later? It wouldn't surprise me. Yeah, we very well could. Would you have made money had you not accidentally shorted 15 more? So my quantity was at 15 when I thought it was at 1, and it just kind of threw me out of balance because I'm like, I tried to take a trade, follow-up trade, follow-up trade, follow-up trade. So it just threw me off, you know? I could have just stopped trading and ended like that first part of the session. I think the initial part, so I was up 20K going into it. Then I made 17K when I looked over, and then immediately was down 70K in the position. So that would have put me down 50K on the day, and I could have just stopped right there and went flat and then try to like, okay, let me take a breather here. But I thought that I saw opportunity. I re-shorted, went long, covered, shorted, went flip long, held. That was it. That was on stream, correct. Wednesday's VOD if you want to watch it. Yeah, I think it was the biggest profitable trade that I took in the account. It was about $420,000. I could have done without the first part. It would have been lovely. Happened to me once or twice. I mean, it's my fault. I didn't check the order quantity, and I thought it was 1. It was at 5, and I selected it, and I tried to change it to 1, but I selected it and moved off of the 5 and put the cursor in front of the 5 and put a 1, so it went from 5 to 15. See other platform Rips is on Kick? Yeah. Rips Mod will drop the link. What's going on with my mic today? Rips Mod will drop the link for you. Damn, look at that bounce. So like, dude, this is why the market's insane right now. I just don't want to fucking trade it. 130 points on that bounce. It's just crazy, dude. There's so much opportunity right now. Just request my biggest payout across 5 top step XFAs off the rip above 24,000, 2K per account, hitting the tail end of my 3-year trading journey. This is a big step towards profitability. Glad I found you Rips 2.5 years ago. Keep killing it, brother. You deserve all the rest you can. Thanks, man. Congratulations on your payouts, dude. So is that $10,000? Wow, holy shit. Nice, man. That's huge. Drop an emoji for Mr. Sippin'. Best part of the story is what did you do after? Then did you reduce it down to 5 or put it up? I put it up to 25 for the follow-up. Because I was short 100 and I was like, I don't think the reverse button works. I was short 100 and I was like, I got to get out of this and get long. And so I just hit 8 orders of 25. Surprised you didn't take that short on Wednesday when it was shrinking with velocity. Probably getting out of the large drawdown. Yeah, dude, I was exhausted, man. Like, I'm a human being, you know. I have mental capital and I was fucking exhausted. I was not locked in, you know. So, like, I got out of that trade and I was like, thank you, market, for bailing me out. I'm done with this shit. That was it. I was fucking exhausted, bro. I was running a fucking 186 beats per minute heartbeat for fucking an hour straight. I'm pretty sure that qualifies for me to be able to like, oh, maybe I won't hit the short, you know? What the fuck's going on with this mic? Sounds like it's cutting out. Didn't your Whoop think you did a marathon? Yeah, I mean, it thought I was doing some high intensity work. You know? Let's see. Collins is yapping right now. Jobs report was mixed. Didn't change my view. She's on CNBC right now. A lot of Fed speakers today. Let's see if we get that data in 8 minutes or if it's just fucking wrong. Let me see. We should have real news today, yes. Michigan sentiment at 10, for sure. A lot of Fed speakers still. Williams is still yapping. PMI at 9:45. So 9:45 and 10, for sure. Fed's Williams is still talking right now. Anybody catch that run up? Previous month high. Nice. Very nice. It's your reverse pitching. Well, this is pitch and catches. Just opposite of what we've seen for pitches and catches lately. Because it's going up. Coming back down. Susan Collins talking again too. Nice, Justin 07. I don't know who that is. Because YouTube's fucking broken. YouTube is so trash, dude. Collins is basically walking back everything Williams was saying. It's funny. Coming down here. This movement is insane. Markets are lovely right now. Oh, it's you. Hello. Yeah, like your name comes up in the YouTube chat as Justin_07. It's just so dumb now. All right, let's see what happens at the bottom of the hour here. Oh, you see it on your end like that too. That's crazy. If you're dated dependent is hard to make a decision if you don't have data. For sure. What's up, Wanders? How are you? What's up, Sarl? Still coming down here. Right now, almost 100 points from the peak. Crazy. Awesome volatility, man. Feds Williams saying the 2% inflation target is working. Whenever we break through 200s here, I mean, there's a lot of agreement in price for sure right there. Right around in this area. Somebody gonna get clapped in props today. I agree. I think people are gonna get destroyed today. 100%. After a massive day like yesterday, there's gonna be probably a lot of initial disagreement. It's MOPEX today. We're having so much data coming out. I don't think we're gonna get the employment data. Can't find any kind of preliminary numbers on it, so I guess we're not getting it. Maybe they, it was October the one they said all the computers crashed and we couldn't get it or some bullshit like that. By the way, you shouldn't be trading minis and props in this type of tape. It's just, it moves so much. You don't need to trade minis. Unless you have like a fat drawdown, you know? Minis in this tape, it will fuck you up. It's a vibe trade. It's including in next month? Mopex's monthly option expiration. Oh yeah, I thought that was right. October they're never gonna release because like computers crash and all of a sudden we can't find the data or some bullshit like that. Yeah, sounds about right. Liquidity is so bad in minis sometimes. Well, I mean, if you're trading the real markets, it's not. I was fine this morning, plenty of liquidity for me. But if you're trading on props, you're like it's gonna be weird. You know, like you're gonna get weird fills unless you're using limit orders. Trade micros in my Percy now, and that is more than enough to make good money. There you go. Yeah, I mean, I guarantee you people are gonna get fucking destroyed today in props. Destroyed. Do you reduce your quantity when volatility is high? That or I trade ES. It's one or the other. Either I'm gonna reduce my size, like dude, because 25 contracts on a 200-point move, plenty, right? If you catch that. I'm just tired. Very tired. Literally had 12-point slippage on fills the other night. Yeah, that's crazy. Okay. 30 seconds. Good luck, everybody. My hands are here. I don't even have AMP up on my screen, so I'm just gonna watch it with y'all. Probably miss a great trade. Oh well, life goes on. The 5-minute ATR is almost 60 points. Yeah, sounds about right. Yeah, I mean, dude, if you're trading a prop, like when I was trading the Tradeify prop accounts, I only had to make like what, 1,100 or 1,300 bucks in a day. It's so easy to do in this tape if you're patient. Not easy, but you get what I'm saying. Like it's like it moves so much. It looks like it's in line. Completely in line. Like slight, like 10th off. Yeah, I have nothing burger. I traded before, dude. I already traded. I was up early. I traded already. I'm up 74 bandos. I'm way up. So I traded well before him. So up over 600K on the month and over 300K on the week. I mean, not easy, but you get what I'm saying. Like, I mean it easy in the sense where it's like most of the people that are losing are probably over leveraging. Like when the market is moving this much, to collect $1,000 from the market is like, you don't need to be trading size. That's all I mean. Like the market's giving you a layup when it's moving this much. Like if your goal in a Tradeify funded account is to make $1,100, you shouldn't be trying to do that on a singular trade. You can do it in piecemeal it in like $300, $400 winning trades and give yourself a shot, like stop outs of 200 and trade on micros. Like there's a lot of opportunity in this market is all I'm saying. That's all I mean. I don't mean it's easy to trade. I'm just saying in this type of tape, it's a lot easier than if the market is stagnant. That's all. This gives me so much confidence to not give up. Truly want to thank you. In my case, this small amount saved Christmas. There you go, baby. 1,800 bucks. There you go. Let's go. Awesome. So Just says, Rips, I made $985 with 2 micros in one trade yesterday. There you go. Like, that's all I'm saying. I'm not saying it's easy to trade. I'm saying in this movement, you don't like... If you're approaching the market with 5 minis and wondering why the fuck you're getting blown out with your $1,000 drawdown or $2,000 or $3,000 drawdown, that's all I'm trying to point out here. Is like, you're trying to trade this tape with 5 minis and being like, why do I lose? Brother, please. You know what I mean? Like I see people like, dude, I get tons and tons of DMs and a lot of it is like, man, please like buy an account for me and shit like that. And then like, you know, I'll humor them and I'll be like, okay, let me see what were you trading today? And they're like going ballistic on size on yesterday's tape. And it's like, what are you doing, dude? Like, what's your goal here? Up 12K this week, taking a payout to get break even on props. There you go. Love that. Richard Harris says, I don't like saying what I made yesterday, but I entered 71 times. Very scalpy, nice. If it works for you, it works for you, man. Who am I to tell you otherwise, you know? Yeah, I agree, Fencer. It's crazy. Don't need to be doing that shit. What, that tape reading? No, barely paying attention to it, to be honest. It's just kind of shuffling around here. Bitcoin's getting smoked, huh? Did it hit 79K yet? I gotta see this. Almost, huh? There is a part of me that gets a little schadenfreude. Or schadenfreude. Schadenfreude? The fuck is it called? Schadenfreude. How do you say this? Schadenfreude. I get a little Schadenfreude when I see Bitcoin go down. So I know so many people that are like, when Bitcoin's up, they're just like, I'm a fucking expert investor. Shut up. I'm fucking... It's kind of nice when we see this. I don't know. Call me a hater or whatever, but I just kind of like it. Kind of like when I see this, because I'm like, yeah, dude, can we all just shut the fuck up now? Bitcoin's going... Okay, cool, man. I have a friend that I go to dinner with, and he like just tells me about fucking how Bitcoin's gonna be fucking $10 million a coin. I'm like, okay, dude. It's just so annoying. And like he trades like little shit coins and stuff like that. And it's like, dude, you're playing fucking hot potato with a bunch of degens, dude. That's not trading. I guess that's what we do in NASDAQ, but still, I don't know. I'm a fucking hater. Who cares? Whatever. I'm just a big fucking hater. But anyway, I get a little relief. A little pep in my step when I see Bitcoin down. Am I just a big hater or something? James says, Rips, you find trading a personal account is better. You have to understand, I've been trading my own money for 11 years. I never traded on props until my group wanted me to start trading on props like 2 years ago. And then on Top Step TV, all that. I've always traded my own real money. So, you know, my tax rate on my futures account is about 29% effectively. It's my money. I've always traded my own money. I don't know how else to say it, you know? I've always traded my own money. So it's just normal for me. I started trading my own money when I started. Is what it is. I'll trade props to kind of show you guys like what's possible, like getting 2 payouts from the Tradeify accounts, barely trading them, you know. Is prop for a money tax? Oh yeah, man. Your tax is a 1040, whatever the fuck it's called. Isn't it a 1040? It's, what do they call the form? It's 1040 wage cuck. Is it 1040 wage cuck? 1040 WC wage cuck. Yeah. Oh, sorry, 1099. Sorry, 1099 WC. 1099 WC is what it is. So yeah, they tax you a lot differently. Whereas futures, you're not taxed like that at all. Yes, way higher. Way higher. Top Step is still talking about you? What do you mean? Where and when? What is that view and what is the benefit? What is that view and what is the benefit? Oh, you're talking about what's on my screen? Bookmap? It just shows me kind of all the information I'm looking for when I'm trying to read the price action. Consolidated in one easy to use tool, at least from how I perceive things. That's all. Got a nice chunk out of that MNQ pop on the 50K growth I got from you, Rips, up 328. Back out of drawdown. Nice, dude. Take it slow. Nice and slow. Mirren is talking right now. Mirren is like the biggest dove ever. I think it's the biggest dove on the entire panel of the whole committee. I'm pretty sure. Is there somebody more dovish than Mirren? I don't think there is. Is your session volume profile set to reset? I don't know. Let's go look at it. I don't know. $9:30. Gus, session all. I have it set to all. There you go. But this is a visible range volume profile, completely different. What do you think is a good buffer on a 50K account trading micros? It depends on who's through. 50K account with who? Offset? What does a 50K give you? 1,500 bucks a day in drawdown? I'd pace myself probably like $200 worth of drawdown per trade. You know? Something like that. I think it's like 1,500 total drawdown, so split that into 7 losing trades, I'd say. Just go from there. Damn, so no news at the bottom of the hour, really. So, what do we do? Any clues as to why my VWAP shows 5 to 8 points lower than everyone else's, even though I have the exact same setting? I don't know. It's a mystery. I have no idea. Lost some coin. Wait, did we do gamble points yet? Oh, we got 4 minutes until those expire. Oh, it's a photo finish. Look at this. Something exciting, finally. Is there a certain time you typically look for setups during the pre-market? Well, I was up today at 1 a.m. and the market was moving, so I just capitalized on that. There was, I don't know, I took a total of 3 trades today. But there was a Globex trade last night, so this is the Globex trade last night right here. So I made 22,000 on that. I don't know, 30, whatever. Made a bunch of money. So it's just, you know, if there's opportunities, I'm going to try to capitalize on it. Obviously, like, dude, I would have loved to capitalize on that move. Caught a little bit of it, you know, but it's what it is, man. I do what I can with what I have. Me and Rips for going at it on Twitter. Who are you? I don't know who you are. Who are you? What's the 46K? Right. Like going at it like in a bad way? What do you mean? What's the 46K? Oh yeah, there you are. The average camel range. That. Yeah. No, when you say going at it, I feel like it's like, you know, talking shit to each other or something. No. Yeah. No, nice work, man. What is that? A personal? Is that a prop? Yeah, going out in the market. Yeah. Jose Cuervo says, "Thank you, Rips. You don't stream next week. Enjoy Thanksgiving. If you do stream, see you then." All right. How do you perceive VWAP? I feel like it fucks with me having it on my chart sometimes. You can try removing it, dude. There's like no indicator is a must-have on your chart. It's all like up to you, you know. Obviously, I like having it on my chart. I got it on my trading chart, got it on my other charts. I like having it. It just gives me like a little view of things, but I don't put a lot of weight on it sometimes. It's the same, like I had some questions this morning about like, oh, like what if the ES is not moving with NASDAQ? Well, I mean, there's not every single time I do this type of thing, but like, you know, my prime trading is like, if we have, let's just say Google, Microsoft, Meta, Nvidia, Apple, Tesla, all kind of moving in tandem, S&Ps are moving in tandem. We're seeing like a huge breakout and like we're blowing through key levels. Like, you know, there's a lot of things that are lining up there that I'm looking at, but like if not all of those things are happening, there still could be a trade there. So, you know, I don't look at trading in finalities. You know, I don't ever look at my trading of like, oh, it has to do this and otherwise I don't take a trade. There's certain things I look for and it gives me more confidence, but there's never like, oh, it must do X, Y, and Z, you know? I'm just usually moving with the flow of the market as much as I can and trying to ride along with the bigger players. That's pretty much it. And like looking for key areas, obvious trades. And then if I'm wrong, being wrong early. And if I'm right, trying to be right for what I see is like the most obvious point that we could be right to. That's kind of it in a nutshell, really. Any plans for Thanksgiving? My wife and I are going to a restaurant because don't want to cook. 1 minute VWAP on top step. You have to zoom all the way in back. Yeah, yeah. 5 micros copied across 7 Apex PAs with no trail off last night. Off your short cover, netted. Nice, dude. Let's go, baby. So that's the same as trading 3.5 minis. That's great. Gonna be a photo finish for the gamble. It is. There it is. Let's see. So it is. Where's 740 or 845? 258 is what I see on my end. 258, 258. So the overs are gonna win. 258. The overs are gonna win this one. Wowzers. Great job. All right, let's do one more. Let's do a 905. Let's do a 905 here. Let's do 5 minutes for this one. There we go. 5 minutes for this next prediction. Gamble your channel points. You having fun, Pozo? This market's legendary. So happy I exchanged all my BTC holdings at 100K. Yeah, I mean, it's good to take profits. I have no, like, dude, it may have sounded like I was throwing shade at Bitcoiners. I'm not. Love Bitcoiners. But one of the things I had a question from... okay. One of the things was one of my buddies was asking me like a few days ago as crypto was dropping. He's like, hey, what should I do with my Bitcoin? Why is this? What is with the mic today? It keeps on cutting out my, you know, maybe it's my headphones. Jefferson is talking right now. He's talking about .com era, really? Yikes. We're witnessing a replay of the late 1990s. Is he really saying this shit? Oh, okay. Listening. Okay, so basically he's saying like that it's different from the .com thing that happened in the late 90s because AI companies actually have earnings and they're making money, whereas like the .com shit was a lot of air. And so it sounded at first like he was shitting on it, but it's actually what he said was good. So what's the fastest way to accumulate channel points without gambling? Just being active in chat. Not spamming, but being active. But anyway, one of my friends who's, you know, in crypto, they're like, what should I do? I was like, look, if you are holding crypto and you're planning on holding till like 2035, like the year 2035, it doesn't matter if it goes down now, if you're still gonna be holding it. Trying to time the market is a fool's errand. Yeah, sure. Maybe by 2035 it's worthless. Who knows, right? But like if your intention is to hold things, just hold them and ignore when there's fluctuations in price. You got in where you got in. Don't reduce your position. Just add more if you want to add more. That's it. Right? For anybody who's like holding a long-term portfolio, if you've never been through markets in turmoil, you're going to have it. The markets go in cycles. They're not going to go up forever. They're going to come back down a little bit before they go back up. Markets go up and to the right, generally speaking, at least in, we're looking at blue chip companies, S&P companies, NASDAQ companies, etc. You know, blue chips will always go up and to the right. Usually there's blue chips that fail, right? Obviously, but trying to make a sweeping statement without generalizing too much. Not financial advice. Never is. I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about. I'm a retard. King of the retards. That's me. No idea what the fuck I'm saying. What platform are you still using, NinjaTrader? No. Trade on TradingView. Levels you watch, are they always the same as aka 4-hour high, pre-market high? Do some levels hold some weight? It's all kind of the same, but yeah, like bigger, like dude, if we go down to like what we went down to today, like, you know, the quarterly open, or sorry, the previous quarter mid, like that obviously had a lot of weight down there, right? And then the fact that we made a higher low and then just shot right the fuck up on it. So yeah, that carries more weight than like the 4-hour open or daily open, but it's, you know, yes, the answer is yes. Have you ever done baking? Like weed? Or like baking a cake? Food? No. My wife has baked before. Oh, Thanksgiving. No, we're going to a restaurant. I'm not a kitchen guy. I you know, when I want to eat, I don't find myself in the kitchen. Is CBD important? Yes. Everything can be important if it's part of your strategy, you know? You don't like to bake nuts? No. Not big on baking nuts unless I'm just out in my backyard, in my pool, in the nude, on my floaty. Then I like to bake nuts. As a newer trader, watching MC webinar archive based on your current style of trading, how relevant are the concepts from the archive? I'd say they're pretty helpful. I mean, it's going to teach you about market structure. You know? Rips, do you tan your balls? All the time, man. It's a key part of my trading strategy is making sure that my balls are nice and tan. It's very important to me. You Botox your balls. How does that work? Gets all the sheet of balls. If you Botox your balls, do they just turn into a flat sheet? Fat guy's not having this. Trading View Black Friday is on. Yeah, 80% off. I gotta, let me see how many. I don't even know how long my subscription is with it. Let me see. Trading View receipt. I don't know why I don't have a receipt in my. Oh, I'm in the. There you go, retard. Sorry. Trading View receipt. Let's see. How great is this song, by the way? What did I buy here? How do I see how long that I have left in my subscription, by the way? Does anybody know? I feel like I should know this. Let me see. Settings and billing. Subscriptions. There we go. Premium. Yeah, there she is. Let's go, baby. I got it. I'm about to add some more time because I think I was only good until 2026. So I'll be good until 2027. Cool. Nice, man. Thanks for letting me know. Nice. Cool. Most people leave houses in their passing rows will leave strangers. That's funny. Wait, what? I attempted to pay with a commercial card. That makes you a professional user? Are you fucking kidding me? Are you serious? What the fuck is that? How are they being like this? Get out of here, dude. What a joke. All right, well. Try a different card. I don't know. Fuck. Wait, I'll just do PayPal. Fuck you guys. Suck my dick. Bookmap sale, I went over that yesterday. I'll talk about it again if you want. There we go. Good until 2027. I did register as 13H. I think it's 13H with the SEC. I did do that. I don't know if that changed my classification or what, but yeah. Did you make most of your money in AMP account from this year's bull market, April 2025, or did you have it from last year? Brother, I started this account with $100,000 on January 21st. I took out $100,000 and I took out $710,000. So I have $810,000 in withdrawals. And then this is what's at. All from 100K on January 21st. Traded live every single day for free on this stream. Find me another motherfucker that's doing that. Please. Please. TPT terminated a pro account yesterday I had for a month because I took a trade 1 minute after the news event. Not just the profits, but all my profits in the entire account. That sucks. Reach out to support, see what they'll do for you. Support won't do dick. Yeah, 2,200%. Sounds about right. Oh boy, someone's trying to eliminate a whole bunch of people from our list. Yeah. It felt cool when I got that notice. I got it from every broker too that I was trading with. So imagine that. Imagine I wasn't just 13H. I was fucking mega 13H because I didn't get it just from one broker. I got it from multiple brokers. Nothing. Don't worry about it. It's fucking dumb shit. Fat guy. I'm just talking to fat guy on this one. Pointless. Ribs, why do you leave so much cash in a broker? So let me ask you this. So I put money in a brokerage account and I'm doing so much, right? Percentage wise. Why would I take that money and put it into a money market account or the index funds, especially when we're frothy right now? Why would I do that instead of just leaving it in there and utilizing it? And remember, I round trip $900,000 on Wednesday. Not characteristic of something that I do. And hey, if I lose money, I lose money. Whatever the fuck happens, right? But imagine if I only had like 100K in the account. I wouldn't be able to do what I did. Not saying that I'm trying to do that, but I'm just saying. You see what I'm saying? Feel me, dog? Why is it harder to trade a prop account versus using AMP with no rules? Let's do an example. Do a test. Put $10,000 in an AMP account. Come back after a month and ask that same question. You'll be like, holy fuck, I lost $10,000 in an hour. What? If you think what I'm doing is easy, you're fucking high on drugs, brother. Go look at other streamers who have tried to trade a personal account this year and look at how fucked they've got. Look at how fucking ass blasted they got, brother. Yeah, trading an AMP account is easy. That's what it is. Ribs, what did you start your AMP account with? $100,000 on January 21st. It's way harder to trade a cash account than a prop account. You will melt your money. Don't believe me? Go fucking try it. Go put your life savings into a cash account and go see. Go figure it out. You'll figure it out real quick. You guys have no fucking idea. Go blow that real quick. Are you using the Global or Global Plus on Bookmap? I have Global Plus, but I don't really use any of the features of it on the stream, so. Nice, bro. So this year you started with 100K. I don't know. I'm not sure. I can't remember what I said 6 times already. All right. 9 o'clock. I don't know. I think that's a fair stream, right? I just tuned in, chill. How about this? Suck my fucking cock, you loser. Get the fuck out of here, fucking clown. Shut the fuck up and get the fuck out of here. Fucking loser. I just tuned in, chill. Suck my fucking dick. Feds Logan is talking right now. LOL. Wow, Rips gets mad. Hey, suck my dick too, buddy. Eat my ass. Grab a spoon and fucking eat my ass, you fucking chuckle fuck. Peace. Never see your fucking beta cuck ass ever fucking again. Ooh. Suck my dick. Who else? Make yourself known on YouTube so I never have to see your fucking bullshit chat ever again, please. Who else? Come on. Say that shit. Let's go. Fucking pussy. Rips, when you get to the next level of trading in the millions, wouldn't you imagine having a bad day that shows a loss of 100K, but it would be the same as a bad day at a loss of 10K? Yeah, it's relative to your account sizing, you know? Is it bad I enjoy this, Rips? I mean, I always think it's kind of funny. I find it kind of funny. Response 69, you enjoy. I think it's funny. Is there anywhere that keeps track of how many people or accounts got liquidated yesterday in BTC? I'm sure you could Google it. I'm sure there's probably something. Photo finish, maybe. Let's see. What is it? 9:05? Yeah, 2.5 more minutes. You guys are so fun. Let's see what happens here on the channel points race. I feel like the unders are gonna take this one home pretty easily. So Rips, you know, with funding ticks, if they ever take you max price, I do not know. Homeboy mad because he banged his mom last night. Nah. I would have if I had a forklift to lift her up, but I didn't have access to one last night, so I didn't, unfortunately. That's a big bitch, let me tell you. That's a big old bitch. So, couldn't do it. We call them tortas. That's the line. That's the line, Nick. That's the line, dude. That's a huge bitch. That's so good. Oh, I need to watch that movie. Isn't that, what is that? That's not, it's Deuce Bigelow, right? Right? Pretty sure, yeah. Dude, that's classic. On a great morning. I mean, it woke me up a little bit. It's pretty funny. BTC short around 11 p.m. was killer. Only made 300, but BC, because I only bought a 5K instant funding on Warbucks, only has 400 max loss, 55 bucks. Pay on demands, and DD is static. Step up futures prop space. Right on. Advanced plan notice. Starting tonight at 8 p.m. Eastern, the new advanced plan purchases will no longer be available. So advanced accounts are going away after 8 p.m. Eastern tonight, which is why are you buying an account on Saturday anyway? They don't make movies like that. Dude, I don't know what happened. They just stopped making good movies. Because there's no money in it, right? There's no money in movies anymore. It's all streaming. It's very hard to make money as a producer for a movie. People don't go to theaters anymore, so. Advanced was the worst accounts too? Well, I think what's going to come in their place is going to be even better. Cancel culture's fault as well, yeah, for sure. Okay, so the unders are going to win that one. There's no question in my mind, so let's go ahead and pay out the unders here. The unders are going to win, right? Yes, unders. Can we get a confirmation? Just somebody say yes. Unders win, right? Okay, thank you. Cool. Unders have been paid. Kind of just want to gamble on Yeet and just shut down all my charts, to be honest with you. Is that... Am I retarded? I guess we could watch the open together. I won't trade. I will not trade. I will not trade. Gaming industry is twice the size of the movie industry. How much have they spent on GTA 6 already? How much does GTA 6 cost? No, I don't... Wait, what? Wait, no, that's... No. To make... $1 and $2 billion. I will definitely stream that when it comes out, but it'll be like through PlayStation because they won't have a PC version out. I really hope they wait until the next gen console comes out. What is it going to be? PS6? PlayStation 6? Dude, how much money GTA 5 has made is mind-blowing. How much revenue has GTA 5 made? $10 billion in revenue. 8.6 billion as of early 2025, so close to 10 billion is the estimate. And they spent 300 million making that game. What a return. 10 billies, dog. It's insane. I heard you need a real job to play GTA 6, like you have to show your W2. Wait, what? Huh? Count me out then. I don't really game anymore. I used to game, but I haven't gamed recently until like 2-3 weeks ago. I've started Final Fantasy 16, and that game is like my mind is blown. I'm like, how is this a game? Like, what the fuck? What have they been doing in games lately? Final Fantasy 16 is goated, dude. Insane. I gotta actually, you know what? I might play that today since I got nothing better to do. I might play that today. But yeah, dude, if I ever play a game, the problem is like, I feel guilty because I was like, you know, I could be trading right now. I haven't played Final Fantasy 16 since last week, and I'm pretty far into it. I'm pretty close to beating it, I think. It's been an epic game. Like, it's so, dude, it just keeps going. I was like shocked. Like, I was like at this part of the game where I was like, oh, it's for sure gonna be close to ending now. And I was like, wait a fucking second. This is just not gonna stop. Crazy. F1 action on the strip. We're going tomorrow. My wife and I are meeting up with our friends tomorrow, so stoked on that. Features in GTA. So, dude, I hope they have like real money gambling in GTA. I don't know. I don't know what to expect, but it's gonna be insane, right? 30x return sounds like risk for you by the end of the year. Could be. Could be. We'll see. Just got my heart broken by the game. That game last night. Been working through it. It's awesome. Oh, you're talking about Final Fantasy 16. That's crazy. I played Final Fantasy 7 Rebirth. I played that as well. So let me see how many likes we got on YouTube. 250 will stay alive. Otherwise, we gotta just kick it over to Kick. We have. I'm sad that we didn't get to ban more people, but yeah, 66 likes. All right, YouTubers, we're finishing our day up 74,000, 130 bucks. Great day today. Very happy. Very tired. Exhausted. Long week. Up over 300K on the week. Up over 600,000 on the month now. So it's been a very fruitful market for me. Love it. Have a good weekend, YouTubers. I'll see you back here on Monday. Don't drink and drive. Call an Uber. Call a Lyft. See you, folks. If you want to continue partying, we'll be on Kick. See you.